Jake Ludington here at HP Discover in Barcelona, and I'm here with Brent Allen. And you guys did some announcements around Converged systems in the last couple of days. And could you talk about that a little bit?
Sure, yeah, more than happy to. You know, the Converged Systems group is fairly new. We started this back up in the spring, and back then we said we were going to have a bunch of new systems coming out that were really aligning the full portfolio and growing this space come December. And here we are launching this stuff. So it's not just announcements, we have full launches going on. So two great products, Converged Systems for virtualization, got several other things growing in the portfolio as well that are launching out here. My particular space though is Converged Systems, specifically in the virtualization space. So we've been doing that for a while. Very, very excited about this new announcement around the 300 and the 700.
So tell me a little bit about what exactly is new.
Yeah, so, well, they're completely new platforms, and what we've done is we've really taken a first step. This is a first phase for us where we're really maximizing the operational potential and opportunity for customers. We're making it very, very simple to buy, right, and get into their environment. So we have a metric that we talked about called 2020. 20 minutes to complete an order and to drop that PO, and then 20 days to get that actually into the customer's environment, right? So very, very fast, so rapid time to value. And then we're actually optimizing both CapEx and OpEx with these systems by making them, easier for the customer, more affordable for the customer in many ways. In fact, we're also working with HP Financial Services to make these systems really, really affordable and easy on the budget. So there's that aspect. There's performance like nobody else, right? So for example, with our 300, we're actually getting twice the performance of our nearest competitor at 25% less cost up front, right? And then, around all of that, HP brings this together and brings it to the customer, rack, stack, cable, configured entire system that's been tested and pre-tuned in the factory. But then it also has a services component that's wrapped around it. So we do all of the integration work. On top of that, we've got a technology services center of excellence that we've set up for all of the, call support, break fix, all of that is a specialized team that's dedicated to these converged systems and to our cloud system line, right? So they're the ones doing all of the, in support around all of this stuff. So it's a really incredible product line, and we're just really happy to get it out the door.
So how is this different than the previous generation?
Yeah, so we've kind of taken the things that we've learned in the previous generation and we've taken it to the next level, right? So when I talked about the 2020, right, before we were like, a month plus to actually get it fully integrated into the environment. Quotes took a long time. If you've ever, if you're a customer and you've ever dealt with a company, HP or anybody else, you know how long it can take to actually get the initial quote for that gear, right? And so it's incredible how much we can actually, looking at that end-to-end value chain, how we can optimize elements along that track to really simplify things for the customer, to make it more affordable for the customer, and to help them really optimize their own value chain internally, right, around acquiring the systems.